Hello all. Today I am going to discuss about cold chain or cold chain system. The cold chain system is used to preserve and to extend and ensure the shelf life of products. As we know that vaccination is one of the effective public health measures to prevent and control number of infectious diseases. A vaccine is a biological product. If the vaccine gets too hot or too cold, the active ingredients of the vaccine can degrade and becomes less effective, so that we need to maintain low temperatures. A vaccine is a biological product. If it gets too hot or too cold, the active ingredients of the vaccine can degrade and it becomes less effective. Once a dose of vaccine is manufactured, it needs to be transported to the immunization site in a viable form. This process of maintenance of low temperature is called as cold chain system. A high quality cold chain allows all the healthcare workers to deliver life-saving vaccines to every child. The complete care cold chain is important in the maintenance of vaccines. The term cold chain or cool chain denotes the series of actions and equipment applied to maintain a product within a specified low temperature range from the time of harvest or production till the consumption. To define, a cold chain is a system of storage and transportation of vaccines at recommended low temperatures from the time and place of manufacturer to the actual time and vaccination usage site or the vaccination center. The temperatures in cold chain ranges between plus 2 degrees centigrade to plus 8 degrees centigrade, and we must not refreeze or store the vaccines at room temperatures. Cold chain system is important because an uninterrupted cold chain provides a safe, temperature controlled environment for sensitive items such as fresh and frozen food produce, pharmaceutical products, biologicals, chemicals, as well as vaccines. If we don't maintain cold chain system, it leads to the development of the risk of microbial growth, the appearance of germs such as salmonella, a reduction of the shelf life of the product, and different types of health risks also will develop. And there are various types of cold chain systems are available. Depending upon the type of healthcare facility, various types of cold chain equipment can be chosen. Various types of cold chain equipment includes refrigerators, walk-in cold rooms, cold boxes, vaccine carriers, day carriers, ice packs, and cold packs. Let us discuss about each one of these equipment. First one is the refrigerator. The refrigerator must be able to maintain the required storage temperatures, and it must be large enough in order to maintain all the stock of the healthcare facility, and also it should be dedicated to store only vaccines, and it must be under safe custody. The types of refrigerators includes deep freezer with 300 liter capacity. They maintain temperatures between minus 15 degrees centigrade to minus 25 degrees centigrade. And the second one is ice-lined refrigerator or ILR. They can maintain the temperature between plus 2 degrees centigrade to plus 8 degrees centigrade. All varieties of vaccines can be stored at pHC level in ILRs. And the third type of refrigerator is small deep freezer with 140 liter capacity. They are used to prepare frozen ice packs, which are used in cold boxes or vaccine carriers for transportation of vaccines during all the sessions. Second type of cold chain equipment is walk-in cold rooms. Walk-in cold rooms are typically used at central as well as regional levels for storage of large quantities of vaccines. Here, vaccines can be stored for 3 months to serve 4 to 5 districts. Cold boxes are supplied to all subcenters and peripheral areas. These boxes are meant to collect, store and transport large quantities of vaccines by vehicle to outreach sites. The vaccines are kept in carton or polythene bags. The vials of DPT, DT or TT vaccine, thereby we need to use carton or polythene bags. Here we need to maintain the temperature by using fresh frozen ice packs. Next is the vaccine carrier. Vaccine carriers are insulated containers. When lined with coolant packs, keep all the vaccines and diluents cold during the transportation. And they are smaller than cold boxes and are easy to carry to the vaccination centers. They are typically can be carried by single healthcare workers. The vaccine storage capacity of vaccine carriers are between 0.1 and 5 liters. And the next one is day carrier. They are small boxes made of insulated material. We can carry only small quantities of vaccines like 6 to 8 vials to a nearby session. In this, 2 fully frozen packs should be used to line the carrier. Next is ice pack or cold packs. In this, a water pack frozen to a temperature between -5 degrees centigrade and -20 degrees centigrade should be used. It is used only for few hours period. Vaccines must be stored according to the appropriate temperatures which are instructed by the manufacturers. And we must ensure that the vaccine must be viable. Before opening a vial, check the status of VVM, that is Vaccine Vial Monitor. These are the specific instructions we must follow. The temperature must be maintained at all stages, and the temperature must be monitored frequently, and then the complete care cold chain must be followed, and vaccines to store in freezer compartments are polio as well as measles, and then vaccines that are stored in cold cart but never allowed to freeze are typhoid, DPT, TT, DT, hepatitis B as well as BCG. Once we open multi-dose vaccine, if it is not fully completed also, we must not reuse it, we need to discard it. All used vials should be sent back to the PHC after the session is over on the same day. This is about cold chain system. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel if not subscribed.